Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyoti Mani Rock here. I've come up with this series, Learn with Dr. Jyoti Mani, to make the best use of the lockdown days so that you make the best use of your time at home. Okay, I'm starting with 8th standard state board first poem of the course book, A Time to Believe. I request all of you to listen to this video, and if you have any queries, I will be sharing my phone number with you at the end of the video. You can ask me your queries anytime after watching the video. A Time to Believe by B.J. Morbitzer. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. It is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. To know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. Throughout the poem, the poet tries to bring home one fact, that is, to believe. He wants us to believe. In the first stanza, he tells us to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Every day is like a miracle. It's a new beginning. You know, God has given you this new day. So begin it with thanking Him. And all your dreams can come true when, if only you believe. In the second stanza, he says, if you believe, you can even see angels dancing among the clouds. You can see the wonder of this nature, the stardust, the wisdom of the man in the moon. If you believe, you can see the love, the nurturing heart, okay, the innocence in the child's eyes. You can see that. You can see the beauty of an aging hand, you know, an aging hand, how beautiful it looks with all its wrinkles. For it is through their teachings, okay, that the elders, that we learn to love. To believe, in the next stanza, he tells us to believe is to find the strength and courage. He says everything lies within us. Okay, we should believe that it is there within us, and when it is time to pick up the pieces, okay, if you have undergone a bad time, to face it, overcome it, and go ahead. Like this, during this time, during this pandemic of the coronavirus everywhere. Okay, it's so gloomy. The lockdown days. We have never come across such days. But if you believe that yes, this is a passing phase, this will go away and good times will come, things will normalize. If you believe, things will happen that way. To believe is to know that we are never alone. Okay, the poet wants us to believe that we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. And in the last stanza, he sums up everything. And he explains to us the meaning of belief. He says to believe means to know. Okay? To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Okay? We can achieve all our dreams. All our hopes can become a reality if only we believe. So please believe. Alright? This is the message that the poet is trying to give us. Okay? If you have any queries, please ping me on my number, WhatsApp number, 9823497678. I repeat, my phone number is 9823497678. Thank you and bye-bye.